there. In this video I'm going to show you the 3 ways how you can fix the issue for your BMW X7 if the Bluetooth is not working. So the first thing that you can try to do, maybe it's going to work out. First you want to unpair it from your phone. I don't know if you have iPhone or Android. I have Android, but here on the Bluetooth you're just gonna find the BMW and you want to press settings and then you're gonna have unpair there. Do you see that? So first unpair the car from your phone, but also what you need to do is that you want to unpair the phone from your car. This is the first step to try, and then turn off the phone, turn it on, and maybe it's going to work out. The second thing to try, this is something I read on Reddit, is that what I've done to fix mine was just restarting it. Just hold the power button, volume knob down until your screen turns off, and then press again to turn it back on. Hope this helps. So what is going to happen is that you are going to have this volume button right here. Do you see that? On your BMW, when you're gonna have the turn on the car, you just want to press and hold the volume button. So you're gonna press and hold for like 60 to 80 seconds, and then what might happen is it's going to like turn off the screen, and then you have to press it again to turn it on, and then you can possibly fix the issue with your Bluetooth. Also, another thing that you can try to do, maybe it's going to fix the issue for you. You can try to use different phone. If you have Android, use the iPhone. Also try to test that if this doesn't going to work out. So I just wanted to make this quick video. Have a great day and goodbye.